guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to add color scales for your data in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to have a data with certain values in it. Usually for color scales, we look at numbers and we try to sort them with correlation with each other. Every value shouldn't be very far from each other in order to get a proper color scale. Now, to actually go ahead and start the color scale, all you have to do is select all the numbers in our data. Now that we've selected our cells, we need to go to Conditional Formatting on the Home tab under the Styles group. Once we do that, we should click on Manage Rules. Once we click on Manage Rules, a window should show up. Let's go ahead and create a new rule. Conditional formatting allows us to actually format cells based on their values. Conditions shall be met in order to rank or get the highest number or anything that you can code into Microsoft Excel. Now that we are in this window, let's go ahead and change the colors of what we want. Basically, the lowest value should show green, as it indicates that we have a low electricity bill on that month. And the highest should be around the red part. We also have the option to turn this into a 3-color scale. If ever we want the middle to be yellow, we can go ahead and select that. Now when we click OK, and then click Apply, the cells would now be color-coded. Let's try to sort the data on what it would look like if it's sorted from the lowest to the highest. Let's go ahead and sort our data in order to see our numbers from lowest to highest. All you have to do is select the data, including the header, go to Sort and Custom Sort, go to Sort By, let's click Electricity Bill, and order from smallest to largest. Once we click OK, here we can see that we have April as our lowest value and December as our highest. And this is how we make use of the color scale in Microsoft Excel.